Hey friends, if you wish to install the Netflix app for Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar, open Microsoft Store, search for Netflix and hit enter. Go to the Netflix app, click on install. It will need a while for installation, so we will wait till then. It is basically checking for the services, then preparing the download, then it will download and install. So we will have to wait meanwhile. Okay, now once it is downloaded, click on open. And then you can sign in using your account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.